Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to go over what a username is and some examples to walk you through. Now, let's say I open up the Instagram app or Instagram.com and it says, what is the username? Now, keep in mind when you log into an account, let's say it's social media, Facebook, Instagram, whatever account you have, or maybe it's an email account or a banking account, something like that. It will usually ask, and you can see here it says username, email, or mobile number. Now, in a username example, usually that is a unique, basically number of letters that you have decided to put as your username. And in my case, my username for Instagram is just my name, Trevor Nace. However, keep in mind, a lot of times usernames can also be your email address or your phone number as well. And when you enter this in, you're going to enter in that username in addition to a password to be able to log into an account. So it could be something like your name, Trevor Nace, or it could be an email like trevor@gmail.com. Keep in mind, again, a username is just one part of being able to log in. So you'll need a username and a password to be able to log in. However, when you sign up for a new account, you'll be able to see, let's say instead I hit create a new account, and then I go through the process of signing in and setting everything up. It will ask me what username I want to sign to this account. So whether it's a Gmail account or an Instagram account, you'll be able to decide what that username is. And a lot of times it will be unique to you and you can just use your name. But again, you can use the email address, the phone number, or the username, oftentimes in addition to the password, to be able to log into any sort of account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.